In this video, I will show you how to create a new label in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I need you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to understand that in Gmail, labels and folders are considered the same thing, and they are actually a way for you to easily identify certain emails. So imagine if we have 30,000 emails in our inbox. You definitely know that finding one email that belongs to some kind of category will be hard to find. So that's where labels help, and this is how they show on the email. Now, to create a new label, you're going to come to this left side of this sidebar. You're going to either create on this to create a label, which appears here, or you're going to click on this plus sign to create a label. And it also appears here. Now you see both labels appear here. Now that's how you create new label in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.